VIP and fancy cat show. Who that IT? Yo, who that IT? Love how you and fancy get on big things tonight. Love how you deal with the super fancy and right. Yo, I love how you deal with the big things tonight. Big things. Hold on, The first rule of toilet talk is, well, there should be no talk in the toilet. I hold on. Yo, I want a picture.
You ready from high school, IT? I'm ready from high school, IT.
Yeah.
Hold on, IT. Yo, hold on, IT. What about IT?
This no work in a bathroom.
Yo, IT.
Boy, let me tell you something. You see, if you go into the bathroom and see a bridging, it's not a bridging until we don't go outside.
Yo, IT, what boss?
I'm good, man.
So everything, boss, like
We didn't see the match last week.
Yeah, man, I did that, but...
Hey, we'll beat them, you know.
Yeah, but...
Let's see the match next week.
Yeah, man, let me.
Respect, man. Never forget to wash your hand. The simple rule, especially if you suck finger. And another rule, it's okay to get lost in the favorite song. In the shower, maybe, but not at the urinal. It don't look good.
Oh, shut out to man can't do. To the woman them. What take them man, ya man? Oh, said that woman can't do. Tell them say and them say no woman. What about sunlight?
Bathroom and food no mix, not for eat, not for sell. So you can't come in a bathroom and advertise crunchy sweet salted popcorn for sale at office number 2. It don't look good. And then a man who don't like it, him right back and say, he don't want a popcorn. Somebody say, oh, you don't want a popcorn. And the next person right, it start turning like a Facebook thing. You attack, me attack, and I be a man attack under the sale. It don't look good. Bathroom have to come to either or either. And a woman bathroom